How to balance this reaction Zn plus HNO3 that produce zinc nitrate, nitric oxide plus water. So in the right hand side the number of zinc is 1, the number of nitrogen here you have to consider 1, and this subscript is common to all. You need to multiply 1 times 2, that is 2 nitrogen, then oxygen 3 times 2, 6. Then here we have 1 more nitrogen, and then we have 1 more oxygen, and here we have 2 hydrogen and 1 more oxygen. So basically we have here 3 nitrogen and oxygen 8. So according to rule, we'll try to balance that atom first that is present in only one compound. So nitrogen is present in 2 compounds and oxygen is 3 compounds. So we'll balance these 2 atoms at last. So look, hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2. So to balance, just multiply here by 2, that gives you 2. If you multiply by something, that something must come before the atom. So this hydrogen has come from here, so you have to place here 2. The number of hydrogen is 2, the number of nitrogen will be 2 here. The number of oxygen will be 6, 2 times 3. Now hydrogen is balanced, but here nitrogen 2, here nitrogen 3. Look, this 2 is odd number, even number, but this 3 is odd number. When we usually apply the thing that we need to convert this odd number to even number. 4 is the nearest even number, so easily you can change here. This nitrogen has come from here, so if you multiply here by 2, these 2 must come before this nitrogen. So 2 nitrogen, 1 times 2, 2, 2 oxygen, so you have to change the number of oxygen here. So basically you are getting 6, 8, 9, right? And here you are getting 4. So to balance nitrogen, you can multiply here by 2, that gives you 4. If you multiply by something, that something must come before the atom, before this nitrogen, that is here. So 2 times 2, that gives you 4. If you place here 4, the number of hydrogen will be 4, the number of nitrogen will be 4, the number of oxygen will be 4 times 3, 12. Now look, 4 hydrogen, here 4 hydrogen by here 2. So to balance hydrogen, let me multiply here by 2, that gives me 4. If you multiply by something, that something must come before the atom. So here this hydrogen has come from here, so you have to place here 2. So 4 hydrogen, and here you have to change 2 oxygen. Now you have 10 oxygen totally, right? Look, 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen, 4 nitrogen, 4 nitrogen, and 12 oxygen here and 10 oxygen here. So look, here 12 oxygen, here 10 oxygen. Actually we need here 12 oxygen, right? We need 12. So to get 12, look, here we have 2 oxygen that has come from here. So if here we have 2, if I multiply these 2, look, this 2 by, look, we need 4 plus 2, that is 8, and we need to increase 4. So we'll make 4 as a numerator and given number 2 as a denominator. So 2 to cancel each other, we get 4, and totally we get 12, right? So we need to multiply here by 4 over 2, that is 2 times 4 over 2, that gives us 4. If I place here 4, the number of hydrogen will be 8. The number of oxygen will be 4. Already we have written this 4, right? So basically we have 12 oxygen now. So we can write this for like this. Okay, so here we have 12 oxygen, and 8. Here we have 4 nitrogen, but here look, hydrogen here 4, here 8. So to balance hydrogen I can multiply here by 2, that gives me 8. So these two must come before this nitrogen, that is here. So we have to place here 4 times 2, 8. If we place here 8, the number of hydrogen is 8, the number of nitrogen will be also 8, the number of oxygen will be 24. So look, okay, 8, but nitrogen here 8, here 4, here oxygen 24, here 12. That is, we need to increase the number of nitrogen and oxygen 2 mass. That is why we will select this compound. Here we get a lot of nitrogen and oxygen. So how can you do that? Look, here you have 24 oxygen, and here you have 4 nitrogen. Okay, look here, this 6 oxygen has come from here, right? So if I look, to make 8 nitrogen, here 2, here we have 2, that is 4. To make it 8, we have to multiply here by 3. That gives me 2 times 3, 6 plus 2, that is 8. So these 3 must come before this nitrogen. Now we are getting, look, zinc, number of zinc is here 3, number of nitrogen is here 2, this 2 is common, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 from here 8. Then oxygen is here, look, 6 times 3, 18, right? 18. So basically 24 here, right? 24. So 24 oxygen, 24, 8, 1, but here 3. So let me multiply here by 3, that gives me 3. So these 3 must come before this zinc, that is here. So this is the balanced equation. Thank you for viewing this video. Be well.